Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be potting on these foxglove apricot. I've got on the white ones, I've got on the purple ones. I thought I'd give these a try. So first of all, as you can see, I've got my gloves on because these are toxic, digitalis. It's used in heart medicine. So foxglove apricot, let's get going. Get in the right place. You can see that. First of all, like I said, that's the name and the growing instructions. As you can see, they're toxic if you eat them, but you don't eat them. What you want to do, get underneath them like so. I'm using a peat-based compost for this. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed already in there. Once they're out like so, gently tease them apart. Here we go. Just give it a little jiggle and a jiggle. So once you've done that, fill your pot up with compost. It's really hot in here today. It must be 100 degrees. I've got the door open, the window open, and once these are potted on, we're going outside. Grab them just by one leaf. You don't want to damage the main stem. Insert, bit of compost round, like so, tap down. These, they call it perennial, but they only normally last 2 or 3 years. Into the pots, some water. Yeah, once the main flower stalk comes, once it's finished flowering, cut that down to the bottom, and they should come back the following year. And they grow 1 year and they flower the next. So I'll just do another one. I should tease them apart like so. Yeah, really beautiful flowers. The bees and the butterflies absolutely love them to pieces. And they're really structural plant. Give you plenty of height in your border without taking up too much space. Into the middle like so. Bit of compost around the top. Like I said, these will not be grown on, these will be put outside now. And then once they get a little bit bigger, I'll choose the place and plant them, and they'll flower next spring. So that's foxglove apricot potting on how to. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and please subscribe. Thank you, bye.